Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful skill, how to delete a page from your Wix website. Whether you're cleaning up old content or just streamlining your site, knowing how to remove unnecessary pages is definitely something every Wix user should have under their belt. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently navigating your website's pages and deleting any page you no longer need, all without any stress or confusion. So let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix dashboard. If you have more than one website, make sure you select the exact site you want to work on. This step is crucial because if you accidentally start editing another site, you might make changes where you didn't mean to, and we definitely want to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've selected the right website, go ahead and click on Edit Site. This will open up the Wix editor, which is where all the magic happens. It might take a few moments for the editor to load, especially if your site has a lot of content or images, so just hang tight. Once it's ready, you'll find yourself looking at your website in edit mode, where you can make changes and customize things to your liking. Now, let's focus on the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu pane stacked with different options. Here, look for the icon or button labeled Pages or Site Pages. Give that a click, and it will open up a list of all your website pages. This area is basically like the table of contents for your website. It shows you every page you currently have published or are working on, like your homepage, contact page, about page, and so on. Let's say, for example, you want to delete your about page. Scroll through the list until you find about. Every page listed here has a few extra options attached to it. To see those, hover your mouse over the page name and you'll notice three little dots appear right next to it. Those three dots are like a hidden toolbox. Clicking on them reveals some more advanced options specific to that particular page. Now, don't rush through this bit. It's important to double-check that you're about to delete the correct page. Once you're certain you've picked the right one, go ahead and click those three dots. A small menu will pop up. Most of the options will be straightforward, but what you're looking for is the one labeled Delete. Usually, it's at the bottom of this list, so just hover down and you'll spot it. Take a moment to make sure you really do want to delete the page, because once it's gone, it's removed from your live site, so you wouldn't want to delete anything important by accident. If you're ready, click on Delete. Wix might ask you for a quick confirmation just to be safe. Confirm the deletion and just like that, your page is gone. The list updates automatically and you'll see that the page you deleted no longer appears in your site structure. That's all there is to it. Deleting a page on Wix is actually pretty simple once you know where to look, and it can help keep your site organized and relevant for your visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need clarification on any part of the process, just drop a comment below. I read every one. And of course, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Wix site.